Morning, friends. In the solid state chapter, the last session we studied the packing efficiency in solid state. In today's session, we are going to discuss about number of atoms in a unit cell. It is a simple topic. Already studied, a crystal is made up of large number of small unit cells, and every lattice point is occupied by one constituent particle. It may be atom or molecule or ions. See about primitive unit cell. How many number of atoms present in simple cubic unit cell or primitive unit cell? This primitive unit cell has atoms are occupied in its corners. So each atom at a corner is shared between 8 adjacent unit cells. That is 4 unit cells in the same layer and 4 unit cells of the upper or lower layer. Therefore, 1 by 8 of an atom belongs to a particular unit cell. Is the volume occupied by a sphere in a unit cell is 1 by 8 of its total volume. So each small sphere represents the center of the particle occupying that position and not its actual size. Such structures are called open structures. That is, the arrangement of particles easier to follow in open structures. In all, cubic unit cell has 8 atoms on its corners. We already know. And the total number of atoms in one unit cell is 8 into 1 by 8 equal to 8 cancel, that is equal to 1 atom. So how many number of atoms in SCC? That is 1. We see body-centered cubic unit cell. In body-centered cubic unit cells, the atoms are occupied at the corners of the unit cell as well as one atom is present in the center of the body. Here also the atoms are occupied in open structure, space filling model, and the unit cell with the portions of atoms actually belonging to it. Here the number of atoms in body centered cubic unit cell, it has 8 atoms in its corner. So 8 corner atoms into 1 by 8 because one atom will be shared with the other atom. So 1 by 8 per corner atom equal to 8 into 1 by 8, that is equal to 1 atom. Then one body center atom, that is equal to 1 atom. So 1 plus 1 equal to 2 atoms. So how many number of atoms present in BCC? That is equal to 2. We see face-centered cubic unit cell. In face-centered cubic unit cell contains the points at the corners, that is the atoms occupied at the corners, and one point and each of 6 spaces, that is 12 atoms. So each atom located at the face center is shared between 2 adjacent unit cells and only half of each atom belong to a unit cell. So the number of atoms in face center cubic cell is 8 corner atom. So 8 corner atom, it will shared into other atom also. So 8 into 1 by 8 equal to 1 atom. 6 face centered atom, because a cube has 6 faces, each will share half of the atom will be shared into the adjacent side atom also. So 6 into 1 by 2, that is equal to 3 atoms. So the total number of atoms per unit cell equal to 1 plus 3 equal to 4 atoms. So how many number of atoms present in face centered cubic cell? That is 4 atoms. Conclude, how many number of atoms present in SCC? That is 1 atom. BCC is 2 atoms. FCC is 4 atoms. And diamond cube has 8 atoms. Hexagonal close packed structure has 6 atoms. Friends, in this session we studied how many number of atoms present in a unit cell. That is simple cubic, BCC, FCC, diamond cube and hexagonal close packed structure. All these numbers will be important for our numerical. Thanks for watching.